Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be reviewing and testing the K-700 one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard, and this was actually sent to me by a company called Hujai, so hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but make sure to check out their Amazon store. They've got loads of keyboards and mice and this kind of stuff on there, and I will also leave a link in the description to the K-700, so if you guys like it during the video and you think it looks cool for games, make sure to check it out and maybe buy one. The link will be in the description. So yeah, anyway, let's just go ahead and unbox this thing. Now apparently this is perfect for like Fortnite, Counter-Strike, Players Unknown Battlegrounds, all of those kind of really popular PC games. So let's go and take it out of the bubble wrap and let's take a look at it. So here we have the back of the box. There are the mechanical switches down there. We will be having a look and seeing what colour they are, and it looks like it actually has a magnetic kind of like handrest on there which you can take off. So yeah, that's the back, nothing really on the sides, and then obviously that is what it looks like on the front. So let's just go and take it out of the box. Okay, so we have the instruction booklet. I never really use these things, they're kind of easy to work out, but there is one in there if you want to use it. We also have a actually that's a USB Type-C. We've got a USB Type-C cable, so that's actually really good. Normally these sort of things are micro USB, but obviously this one has been upgraded to USB Type-C, which is obviously a lot better. I really like this connection, it's really nice. So that is the cable it comes with, that is what you would plug it into your computer with. And then here we have the keyboard itself. So let's just take it out of the plastic bag and have a look at it. Here is the handrest it comes with, the mechanical handrest. So that will go onto the bottom of the keyboard, and it's detachable, so if you don't want it, you don't even have to have it on there. And then here is the keyboard itself. So as you can see, it's very small. You do not get all your keys. This is not a full keyboard. You're not going to want to type anything out of this. This is basically for playing games only. So I will be testing out some games in this video. I'll probably be testing out Fortnite. I'll get my brother to do it because he's really into that game. But yeah, anyway, this is what it looks like. Pretty nice. This is what the keys sound like. So they're quite loud mechanical keys. Do you know what? I'll try and take one off so I can show you the switch right now. Okay, so the switches on these things are blue, so I think they're one of the loudest ones. I'm not too sure, but it's very, very clicky, and they're actually quite easy to replace. There was instructions on the back of the box if you did want to replace these things, and that's what the keys look like, just your standard mechanical keyboard keys. You just line them up and then push them back on to put them back on the keyboard. So this is the back of it, got some pads down here. There's also some information on the back. So if that is of any interest, you can just pause the video and read it. And here is also a thing at the back. Now this is the USB Type-C port, so this is where we will plug it into our PC. Obviously plug it into there and then just go and plug that into your computer. And it also has a USB port on the back, so you could use this for different things, maybe plug in some LEDs, charge your phone, that sort of thing. So we've got quite a lot of buttons at the top here as well. This is just the whole layout of the keyboard, so I will be typing every key and showing you what every key looks like on screen right now. So it does have buttons that you can use for different things. So if you want to record some gameplay, you could set this to a record button on your the video shutter play settings, whatever recorder you use pretty much. Now if you guys want to actually change the key color, what you have to do is hold FN and then press the space bar at the same time. Here's what it looks like. Also got the rat-free mouse right here, just the Mad Catz rat-free, kind of old, but you can see what it looks like compared. It's actually not really that much bigger than a mouse. We've also got the kind of like magnetic stand here. We can just attach that and it should clip on fairly easily like that. Now if you guys are wondering what the M buttons are on the top, they are actually kind of like the LED lights. So as you can see, as I click each one, so we've got M1, M2, it will actually completely change. M3 seems to be off, so does M4, but you guys can change these to pretty much whatever you want. We can also hold FN and spacebar. This will change the lights to pretty much any kind of custom LED display you want. You can get some pretty cool custom ones on here. I believe this one's like one where you press it and they light up. There's plenty of different ones on here to play around with. So yeah, I think what we are going to do now, let's test this with some Fortnite gameplay, and let's see how easy it is to get kills and how easy it is to play with.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video, but I thought why not test it with an emulator. So we're going to run the Project 64 emulator and we're going to play some Mario 64. So as you can see, it runs pretty much perfectly fine with this. This is what the keyboard sounds like while I'm talking, so if you thought of maybe talking through one of these and using it on a YouTube video, this is what the keyboard sounds like. And yeah, so yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to get this keyboard, make sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.